Alright, I'm over here on Hub Pages and I'm going to show you how to set up a Hub Pages hub. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and choose sign up now if it's your first time there to Hub Pages, and you're just going to sign up, choose a username and an email and then your password. And once you set up your account, you're just going to choose sign in, and we're just going to go ahead and sign in to an account that we have set up here. So go ahead and select sign in, and then you can just choose start a new hub. So the first thing you want to do when you're creating your new hub is put in your title there. So perfect golf swing tips, and give your hub a unique web address. So in this case, it's going to pull from your title with dashes in between, which is automatically search engine friendly. So if the URL has already been taken, you could just do a dash and add something like perfect golf swing tips hub as an example, and then that should solve the problem. Or you could add 123 or ABC or whatever you want, or portal, anything like that. You could add that in there. This would be sports and recreation. Then we're just going to choose, let's see, we're going to have a text with the photo. It says please add 2 tags. We're just going to say golf swing and then choose continue. Oops. So cure golf slice, golf driving tips, golf swing tips, perfect golf swing, and then just choose continue, and then read their little terms, choose continue there, plug in the number. They just want to make sure that you are human, so you have to go through a few little hoops with them. And remember, Hub Pages is slightly different from Squidoo, so you have to use some different content when you're adding to a Hub Pages hub. So at this point, you've got your lens ready to go, and so you're ready to start adding text into your lens. So what you want to do is you want to choose edit right here, and you want to just type in your keyword phrase again, and then you're just going to choose for the photo, you could just choose from my computer and just choose browse. So we're just going to grab that little image there and then just select load image. So image is successfully loaded, and then just choose save. And the next thing here where it says text, this is where you start adding in your text. So let's just put in your keyword phrase up there. And we're going to take some text from an article that we have here. So I'm going to grab some information that I've got written, and it needs to be unique. So this is needs to be unique. So this is an article that I have. Okay. So there we have it. And then I like to always copy and paste everything from a notepad file first, just because it helps it paste it in there a little cleaner. So that's all I'm doing during this process here. And so then I'm going to just paste in that content, and at different areas I may want to link into my site. So I might be just very casual, because with Hub Pages you don't want to make direct call to actions. So you might do something very casual in there, like say, for more information on perfect on perfect golf swing tips, you can go online. You can keep reading or something like that. So what that's going to do is that's going to help get that anchor text link in there, so people know that it's a link. And you can just choose that little link just like you're using like Microsoft Word or something, and just put in the link that you're going to direct them to. And then choose insert, and then just choose save. So there's that sharp looking article. Now if you wanted to make, let's say you wanted to make your link bold so it stood out a little bit more, you could highlight that link and then highlight the bold key and then hit save, and you notice now it stands out a little better. So as you go down here, you could add in some different modules as well. So if you come down here, say you want to add in a video module. So you want to take in and add a video module. Just click on that and then just simply choose edit, and it's going to ask you to choose the video URL or embed code. So you want to go back to youtube.com and you could just choose the video that you're going to work from. So let's just choose, this is the best one that we're going to use. So let's just grab it, copy and paste it in there, and then just select, let's call this golf swing tips video. Choose save on that, and notice how it brings in that video. And then also another thing you may want to add in is the link module. That's also a very important module that you could add in at the end here. So then just choose edit, and the link module works by just typing in the URL, then choose add link, and then where it says link title, that's where you want to try to put in your link key, your main keyword phrase. For obtaining the perfect and so that's all I'm doing there is adding in a link, and then I just choose save. So notice there's the link, and so there we have it. Now if I wanted to move the comments thing down, I could just click on that little green arrow and bring it down. So notice how I'm doing that, and boom, and there we go. We've got a nice looking lens. So what you could do is choose just the publish button right there. Just like you did with Squidoo, you hit publish. Their button's a little bit more difficult to find, but you just hit publish. And then it says congratulations, you've published another hub. And then you can scroll down and you could actually view this hub in real time to get an idea of what it looks like and how it functions. So now you've created your very own little Squidoo lens hub. So there you have it. Notice it's also got the AdSense. So if you wanted to go into your account to make sure the AdSense was functioning, that would be something that you could go in there and do. But notice you've got your video now, you've got your comments, you've got everything that you need right there. You've got your links right there. Everything is working good and as it should. So you're all set and ready to go. You've got your hub pages now set up.